Hey there, it's Dez for Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing one of our most affordable devices, the Revel 5, launching exclusively at Metro by T-Mobile. A feature-packed smartphone with a big bright display, dual AI camera system, and a long-lasting battery, rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide network. Let's get into it. The Revel 5 has a large 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. And with T-Mobile's nationwide network, you can stream your favorite shows. Snap awesome photos with the Revel 5's dual AI camera system and its 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The Revel 5 has a large 4,000 mAh battery with USB-C charging, so you can spend less time charging and more time doing what you love. It's powered by an octa-core processor, perfect for streaming and multitasking. You even have the option to unlock your phone through facial recognition or with the fingerprint sensor integrated right here in the power button. The Revel 5 runs Android 11, has 3 gigs of RAM, and 32 gigs of storage with a micro SD card slot as well. Now in the box, you've got the new Revel 5, documentation, USB-C charging cable, and a charger. There you have it, the new Revel 5, launching exclusively at Metro by T-Mobile. Check it out at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store or online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great Metro by T-Mobile video coming up next.